Good morning, students. I am Mrityunjay Kumar. I am a professor at Jharkhand Rai University Mining Department. So, we'll be having our online classes for this semester due to the current pandemic situation. So, let us begin with the syllabus first. I'll take you to the syllabus. Yeah. So, as you all can see on your screen, the syllabus for this semester, uh, the subject rock mechanics. I'll be teaching you rock mechanics. So, we have 4 modules which are divided into 12-week class. We'll be dealing with each and every topic in detail from the scrap to advance. So ultimately you will be able to know the rock properties, behavior, testing, everything about rock mechanics. So let me begin with what is rock mechanics. Rock mechanics is the theoretical and applied science of behavior of rock. It is a branch of mechanics responsible for the study of response of the rock to the field of its environment. Okay. Rock mechanics is mainly the study of rock material, and the study of rock is the most important part in mining industry. Rock mechanics are important in 2 branches of engineering, that is civil engineering and mining engineering. So we'll need to have the advanced knowledge of rock mechanics in both the surface excavation as well as underground excavations. Well, rock mechanics has an important role in mine planning and designing, and also will need rock mechanics for the selection of mine, or you can say the optimum optimization of slope angle, design of support, drilling and blasting of particles. So this is what rock mechanics is. Rock mechanics is the science of studying the behavior of the rock particles. So we'll, I'm sorry. Huh. As I told you, we'll be dealing the whole rock mechanics subject in 12 weeks. So the first week we'll be covering rock mechanic basic definition, history, inheritance, complexities, source of information, field of application of rock mechanics, and concept of stress and strain. Always remember there are some key points in every subject that we need to know as to get to the root of the subject to develop it into a tree. Okay, now analysis of stress, strain, and consecutive relation in isotopic and anisotopic rocks. We'll be dealing with these all topics in week 1. So let's start with the presentation. So rock mechanics. What is rock mechanics? As I told you, rock mechanics is science to study the behavior of rock. See, the rock mechanics is the discipline that uses the principle of mechanics to describe the behavior of rock on engineering scale. And the scope of rock mechanics is in civil engineering, mining engineering, petroleum engineering, geology, and geophysics. Well, as you can see the presentation on my screen, scope of rock mechanics. So these are the various scopes of rock mechanics. I'll be sending you this slide uh, along with the lecture so you can get to grasp more. Now let's come to the application of rock mechanics. Deep excavation, mines, tunnel, underground chamber. Now just think about it. When we need to go underground, we need to excavate. So for excavation, we need to take out the rock material which is there and make way through it, And to take out the rock material, we need to know the rock properties that are essential for us to decide the way to take them out. We can either do it by machineries or blasting and drilling processes, but for that we need to know the properties of the rock. Well, rock mechanics is also used in energy development, such as petroleum, geothermal energy, nuclear energy, energy store, caveras, etc. So now let's come to the rock mechanics problem. Here are the list of the question which would generally arise in your mind at the end of the this module, or at the end of this syllabus. You will be clear with all these questions. Okay. Now, what are we calling a rock? Fresh rock, slightly weathered, moderately weathered, highly weathered, completely weathered, and soil. Fresh rocks are the rock which haven't gone through any weathering process, or it is the hardest form of rock. Now, what is weathering? Weathering is the physical uh, and chemical, physical and chemical uh, processes that goes on a rock. A rock kept in an environment, in a free environment, will have to deal with the rain, water, or the wind. So it start to weather slowly. So there are actually stages of rock: fresh rock, slightly weathered rock, moderately weathered rock, highly weathered rock, completely weathered rock, and at the end the rock converts to soil. Now we'll come to primary rock type of geological origin. Fine, medium, coarse. These are the three type of rock in grain aspects, and the rest of the thing I think we need to study a bit to understand this. I'll send you the PDF. Well, this was an introductory class for you all to get an idea of rock mechanics. Rock mechanics is a very interesting subject to study, uh, and very essential too in mining engineering. So we'll go through each and every aspect of rock mechanics this week. We'll know what rock mechanics is from the basic, and I'll try to pick you up from scrap so that the ones who are at level 0 can also understand what it is and score in this subject. Well, that is all for today. Thank you very much.